Hola. Bienvenidos a la clase de hoy.
Hello. Welcome to today's class. I'm Valentina, your AI-generated Spanish instructor. I'm here to help you learn to speak and understand Spanish just like a native Spanish speaker. I'm so glad you've decided to join me today to discover the fun and exciting world of learning Spanish. But before we get started, I have a very special offer for you. If you are sick and tired of using apps that make you sound like a gringo whenever you speak Spanish, and you want to speak and understand Spanish just like a native speaker, in the description of this video you'll find the link to get free access to learning Spanish like crazy, the original version. And you can get this app absolutely free with a trial subscription to Audible. Learning a new language can sometimes feel intimidating, but trust me, with the right mindset and approach, it can be an enjoyable and rewarding experience. So, let's dive right in and explore how to have fun while learning Spanish. Let's start with using real-life situations. One of the best ways to make learning Spanish fun is by applying it to real-life situations. Instead of just studying from textbooks, immerse yourself in the language by ordering food at a Mexican restaurant, engaging in conversations with Spanish-speaking friends, or challenging yourself to watch a Spanish TV show without subtitles. By actively using Spanish in authentic contexts, you'll not only enhance your language skills but also have a great time. These real-life interactions provide a valuable opportunity to practice your speaking and listening skills, and they allow you to experience the language in a meaningful way. Next up, we have play language games. Who said learning can't be fun? Incorporating language games into your Spanish learning routine is a fun and effective way to reinforce your vocabulary and grammar knowledge. Play word association games, solve language puzzles, or try online language quizzes. These interactive activities keep you engaged and entertained while enhancing your language skills. Before moving on, make sure you click that subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner, and then click the notifications bell. Another wonderful way is learning through music. Music is a powerful and enjoyable tool for learning Spanish. Singing along to your favorite Spanish songs is not only a fun activity but also a great way to improve your pronunciation and rhythm. When listening to Spanish music, pay attention to the lyrics and try to follow along with the help of lyric videos or song translations. Take note of the words and phrases that you don't understand and look them up to expand your vocabulary. Singing along to the songs will help you internalize the language and improve your pronunciation, as you mimic the intonation and rhythm of the native speakers. You'll be amazed at how quickly you'll start recognizing common words and phrases in everyday conversations after immersing yourself in Spanish music. The catchy tunes and memorable lyrics will make language learning an enjoyable experience. Plus, exploring different genres of Spanish music, from salsa to reggaeton to flamenco, will expose you to various accents and cultural influences. Next, let's talk about watching Spanish TV shows and movies. Turn your leisure time into a language learning opportunity by watching Spanish TV shows and movies. Start with subtitles in English, and as you progress, switch to Spanish subtitles or even go without them. It's an entertaining way to improve your listening skills and familiarize yourself with colloquial expressions. Lastly, consider taking a trip to a Spanish-speaking country. Immersion is one of the most effective ways to learn a language. Plan a trip to a Spanish-speaking country and put your language skills to the test. Immerse yourself in the local culture, communicate with locals, and experience the language firsthand. It's an unforgettable adventure that will boost your confidence and fluency. Remember, the key to having fun while learning Spanish is to maintain a positive and open mindset. Enjoy the process and celebrate every small achievement. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, as they are part of learning. I'm here to assist you on this exciting journey towards Spanish fluency. Before you go, I want to remind you that I have a very special offer for you. If you are sick and tired of using apps that make you sound like a gringo whenever you speak Spanish, and you want to speak and understand Spanish just like a native Spanish speaker, in the description of this video you will find the link to get access to learning Spanish like crazy, the original version. And you can get this app absolutely free with a trial subscription to Audible. So click the link in the description and get your free copy of Learning Spanish Like Crazy, the original version. Muy buena suerte. Y recuerda, la